today we're going to be addressing this question from HMZ1005. Disconnect protection, the stream. Won't it shut off or will it just be a black screen until it comes back on? Does Belabox itself keep it protected if I lose signal? Will the stream just be a black screen or will it disconnect? So I've talked a lot about disconnect protection, but not when it relates to Belabox Cloud, I think. So I thought I could draw up a diagram and then explain what happens. So let's do that now. This is a diagram of what's happening when you have a self-hosted setup. You're streaming from your phone to a service like Belabox Cloud. From Belabox Cloud, they get sent to your self-hosted OBS. And then on your home computer, it streams to the platforms. That's what that big key is. So both of these are in the cloud. That's why they've got a little squiggly thing around them. When you start streaming from your mobile phone, whether it's IRL Pro on Android or Moblin on iPhone, you would start streaming to Belabox Cloud or their cloud service. From the cloud service to your home computer, which has a self-hosted OBS, to your platforms, Twitch, Kick, YouTube, wherever. Now, if you were to disconnect, usually that would happen in this first part. Mobile internet is very fickle. It could disconnect when you go through a tunnel or whatever. So your mobile phone would stop streaming to Belabox Cloud. Belabox Cloud is still connected to your home computer with OBS. OBS still connected to the platforms. Whatever scene you've got in OBS would turn black. And usually that's where I'd recommend you'd have something underneath the media source that displays your IRL live stream, video clip or something that's silent, doesn't make any noise, plays on loop. And then when you're reconnected, your stream would just pop up on top of it. If it disconnected here, that's when your stream would actually end. You'd lose viewers, you have to start over again. As long as that's all working, then you'll be okay. So the thing that we're most concerned about again is where it could disconnect here, and that's the most likely place you would get a disconnect. So basically, these in the middle, they maintain your stream to the platforms because they're on a much more reliable connection, a lot more reliable than the mobile one. So on its own, Belabox Cloud isn't doing anything regarding disconnect protection. It's just passing your video from your phone to your home computer. Normally to get your video from your mobile phone into your computer is very difficult. There's a lot of steps involved if you to use something like port forwarding. Belabox Cloud makes that part of it a lot easier. All you're doing is you put a URL on your phone and another URL inside of your media source in OBS. Very, very easy. What Belabox Cloud also does is they provide a stats page. Now the stats page is what apps like NoAlps, Loopacity, they'll check the stats page. If the stats page is showing that you've got no internet, that means your mobile signal has disconnected. Disconnect Protection app will tell OBS to switch to a different scene. But on its own, that stats page doesn't do anything. It's whatever is on your home computer, like NoAlps, Loopacity, StreamerBot even. It'll check that stats page and it'll automatically change scenes for you in OBS. This is the stats page to provide some info that whatever app you're using can check. So if I was streaming, these numbers would change to say something else. I'm streaming from my Android phone. We'll refresh this page and you'll be able to see that the details have indeed changed. We've got connected equals true, latency 2500. We've got a bunch of numbers in there that our disconnect protection app can check against and say whether our stream is online, offline. You can in fact code StreamerBot in order to check these values. You just need a stats page from a service like Belabox Cloud and then be able to sort of pull this info. Okay, just a quick video today. If you have any questions about this setup, disconnect protection, Belabox Cloud, NoAlps, Loopacity, StreamerBot, you name it, just leave those in the comments. If you'd like to check out a video on Belabox Cloud, I'll have a link up here. Hopefully I'll see you over there. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.